Welcome to this week's video, and we're checking out this awesome little mini set. I mean, it's one coin at the end of the day. A £2 coin, Commonwealth Games, 1986. Picked this up from eBay, and I'd never actually seen it before when I was just scrolling one night, having a look at what was for sale, what was ending soon. This was actually a buy it now. Got it for under £10, even including the postage. And couldn't resist, to be honest with you, because like I said, I haven't seen this before. But now that I've actually searched it out, there are a few of these for sale. It's like a presentation of some of the older annual sets, which is pretty cool. So this all just slides out like so. And then on the back, we've got this. And I thought that that was really cool as well. I saw these on the images before I bought it. We'll have a look at that in a second. But what you get inside is an information card and then the coin itself. So what we'll do first of all is have a look at all the information, and what I'm going to do is just go through the pages quickly, and if you want to have a read of anything inside, then of course, as usual, feel free to pause it and have a read at your own pace. The middle pages are pretty cool. We've got a bit on the left hand side about the history of the £1 coin, and then on the right the history of the £2 coin. So I'll just focus in on those two now. And then there's some cool information there about striking coins at the Royal Mint. Combining metals to form an alloy is the first step in the minting of coins. The metal is produced as a continuous strip from the furnace and rolled to the correct thickness. Blanks are punched out of the strip and annealed, washed and dried. The blanks are then passed to a coining press where they are struck under great pressure between a pair of dies. An artist's model of the coin design is reduced to a coin-sized punch on a reducing machine. From this punch is produced a master die, from which are made the working punches and dies. The craftsmanship of minting produces three grades of coin: normal circulation coins, brilliant uncirculated coins, and the highest quality and the most prized, proof coins. And then just some information there about the Royal Mint itself. And then back to that image on the outer sleeve, we've got Roger Bannister, Peter Snell, Kip Keino and Steve Cram. And that is nice artistry there. It's like, I don't know, it's just really good art on the packaging. I like that. And then you've got these signatures that obviously aren't really on the packaging. They're just photoshopped on there, or whatever the Photoshop of 1986 was. But I really like that. It's really cool. It's a nice little presentation pack. Let's have a look at the coin. As usual, we'll start off with the obverse. 1986 brilliant uncirculated £2 coin, and this is the presentation. But it does also have the flaps at the bottom so that you can actually extend it and have this standing upright and show it off in your collection back in the day. So let's have a closer look at this. And there it is. So what happened was the adhesive that's putting this card together, and this piece of plastic is holding the coin in place, that has just completely come apart. So I can put the coin back in its place, so I will do so before I put it in my collection. But it just made sense to show it off like this, because obviously with the white card, usually if I zoom in too far on anything that's got white background, it just ends up making everything flicker. So there we go. That is the obverse of this beautiful £2 coin, and we can all agree it's been protected very well since it was first put in this plastic little capsule or holder, and still in great condition. Let's check out the reverse, and there we have it, 1986, the Commonwealth Games £2 coin. And of course, not the £2 coin that we know these days, the bimetallic one. And that is absolutely beautiful. Now, what did I read a minute ago? It was something to do with the coin spec, so let me just grab that. Yeah, there it is. Designed by Norman Silman. The reverse features a thistle encircled by a laurel wreath superimposed on St. Andrew's cross. And then if I just shift this across a little bit, the coin specs. The coin is in nickel brass, measuring 28.40 millimeters and weighing 15.98 grams. And there we have it. That is the Commonwealth Games commemorative £2 coin from 1986. in its own little presentation pack, which I had no idea existed until I stumbled across it by chance on eBay. And yeah, I love it. It's absolutely amazing, and it's going in the collection and it'll sit nicely there. I'm just going to probably make sure that that is situated back where it should be. Might even just stick a bit of glue behind in between the two cards there and there, making sure that, you know, it does stay in place in future. But as always, I want to know in the comment section below, what do you think of this presentation pack? And also, did you know it existed? Do you already have it? And if not, now that you know that it exists, even though I might be the last to this party, are you maybe going to try and source it for yourself? Like I said, leave it down in the comment section below because it always interests me. If you're new around here, why not hit that subscribe button, because I release new coin content weekly. Thanks for watching.